Oh my God, you have no clue. I don't know how this happened. I'm like, I walked in my closet and said, who came in here and tore my closet up? Y'all, I've been that busy to the point that I just kept saying, I'll do it tomorrow. So I went in the closet, I looked around. Instead of getting overwhelmed, my why became, I'm about to be a blessing to somebody. I'm about to gather up stuff that I know. I even found those shoes. I forgot about those shoes. But anyway, when I tell you God is opening up doors for La Hair and wigs, I am just extraordinarily overwhelmed, blessed. You know why? Because God is dope. He's so amazing. So I got a major announcement that is coming soon. But getting back to this closet, you know what? I just started grabbing stuff and just saying, you know what? This is cute. And I'm going to give this to someone. And again, my why became, go be a blessing to someone. You got all of this stuff and just bring order. You know, we're successful out there, but then if we walk in our closet and it looks like this, we got to bring the house in order. So I took it from that to this. And you know what my motivation was again? Simply to be a blessing. I wanted to go and be a blessing to someone else. And I want my closet in my home, in my bedroom, my kitchen, my bathroom, my whole house. I just wanted to reflect peace, order, and organization. And in order for me to do that, sometimes I gotta slow down. Some days I have to say no. Some days I have to cancel appointments and say, you know what? My priority is my home. My priority is myself. Self-care is not just going to the spa, getting your nails done. Sometimes it's separating clothes and getting your house in order, because it feels good to be able to go into your closet and see order, have order, and it's just a blessing. And not only that, but it's good to be a blessing to someone else. So come with me as we drop these clothes off to a very special young lady.
Give you all of this. She said she loved these boots already.
Thank you, Elder Henry, for always helping.
My heart is so full. It's a blessing to be a blessing. So go be a blessing. Go through your closet and just go be a blessing.
Join me as I challenge women all over the country to open up their hearts and to open up their closet. It's time to clean off those closets and turn those little extras into blessings for women in need. Let's use what we have to change the world. Bag it, bless her, and then post it. Let our generosity, let's go viral. All you have to do is use the hashtag #GivingWithStyle.